Get this, one teen planning to ask his girlfriend to the big dance. It ends in a crash that severely injured another student. Now, Chandler Unified Schools and the city of Chandler on the hook for a $1 million lawsuit.
The attorney representing that injured student tells us the principal and school resource officer didn't do anything to prevent what you're about to see.
EMS on the way. We had an accident in the parking lot.
The student lying on the ground in pain is senior William Vannasap.
Can you move your leg at all?
Class had just gotten out for seniors, and Vannasap was leaving campus on his motorcycle when another student in this Porsche reportedly sped right through a stop sign and crashed into Vannasap, launching him into the air.
The estimated speed of the car involved that was being driven by the student was over 40 miles an hour.
This all started with a student asking his girlfriend out to a school dance.
Yes.
According to this notice of claim, the student behind the wheel had his girlfriend in the passenger seat. The plan was for him to speed through the stop sign, get pulled over by the school resource officer, then while acting like he was in trouble, pull out a sign that asked his girlfriend to prom. Spielman also claims the SRO and school principal were in on the plan and allowed it to happen.
Those adults at the school should have said, no, we're not going to do this.
Body camera footage from the SRO reportedly shows him and the student talking about it after the crash. The claim also has his reported statements to police, where he said in part that he talked with law enforcement and school administration about the promposal and that they agreed to it. However, the school's principal claims that's not the case, even though he was in the SRO's police cruiser moments before the crash happened.
I believe that the principal at the school also knew.
As for Vannasap, he's still recovering from the crash.
He sustained a traumatic brain injury. He's been emotionally very harmed by this incident.
Now seeking $1 million to settle a situation Spielman says could have been prevented.
What makes this out of the ordinary is that the school really is involved. I mean, ordinarily you would think like a kid speeding outside of school, it's got, nothing to do with the school, but this one's really interesting. The school knew about it. The cop was there, so it kind of looks like this story is fairly accurate. This is such a bad idea on the part of the school. Again, you expect adults to make adult decisions. This was just a horribly bad idea and with the worst possible outcome. So it'll be interesting to see what this case settles for. It will never go to court. It will never go to trial. And they are going to pay a substantial amount of money to this kid. And frankly, that would only be fair for what the guy's going to go through. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.